And they didn't have One Direction sheets, so I kind of like fudged it and put those around.
What'd you do?
Put the picture on there.
You put the picture?
Hold it up.
You put the picture and there's nothing in there? That's messed up.
Hold it up. Hold it up. Let me see.
That's not nice.
Well, they didn't have One Direction sheets.
What's the point of that?
I thought I dressed it up a little. Look it. Open it. It has a good thread count. Look in there and see. I'm serious.
What's a thread count?
It's how soft and stuff the sheets are. No, you gotta look on the other on that. Look on that side of it where the pictures are.
I don't care what
Well, her sheets are so disgusting.
Okay, baby. Stop.
I can't believe you.
Why'd you get me satin jeans?
Pillowcases. I got brown so they don't show the dirt. Look, will you please look at the thread count of them?
You can't oh my God. The thread count.
Look at the
Look
thread
at
count.
You gotta pull out where the pictures are. No, you gotta pull out where the pictures are. That's where the cardboard
They're
thing
behind the thing.
What? Where's the thread count? What?
What is it?
What's the matter?
Did we get good sheets?
They don't have One Direction on them?
What, are you gonna cry or something?
You're such an idiot. You're so silly. You're so stupid. You're gonna make me cry.